In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your hosting a website builder site, step by step. A favicon is the small icon that appears in your browser tab, bookmarks, and sometimes on mobile shortcuts, and it's a simple but powerful way to make your website look more professional and branded. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website builder guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and log in to your Hostinger account at hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're inside your Hostinger dashboard, look at the main menu and click Websites. This will show you all of the websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to edit and then click Edit Website. This will launch the Hostinger website builder and take you into the editor for that site. Now that you're inside the editor, we need to find the favicon settings. On the left side toolbar, look for the three-dot ellipsis button, which looks like this, 3 dots. Click that menu and then select General Settings. This is where Hostinger keeps a lot of the site-wide options, including the favicon. Once the General Settings panel opens, look for the favicon section. Depending on your setup, you may need to expand it or scroll a little to locate it. Next, it's time to upload your favicon image. Click Add Image if you're adding a favicon for the first time. If you already have one and want to change it, click Replace Image instead. Hostinger will open the Media Manager or Upload window, where you can choose the image you want to use. For the best results, use a square image file, ideally in PNG format, although JPG and JPEG are also supported. A favicon works best when it's clean, simple, and easy to recognize at very small sizes. The recommended size is either 32 by 32 pixels or 512 by 512 pixels, because those formats usually display well across different devices and browsers. If your image is not already square, it's a good idea to crop or resize it before uploading. Keep in mind that favicons are tiny, so too much text or too many details can become hard to see. A logo mark, symbol, or simplified version of your brand usually works best. After selecting your image from the Media Manager, click Save Changes. This applies the favicon inside your Hostinger website builder settings. But we're not done yet, because saving the favicon in the editor does not always mean it's live on your website immediately. To make sure visitors can actually see the new icon, go to the top right corner and click Update Website or Go Live, depending on what your editor shows. This publishes your changes to the live site. Once the website updates, open your site in a new browser tab and check the browser tab icon. If you don't see the new favicon right away, don't worry. Sometimes browsers cache the old icon, so you may need to refresh the page, clear your cache, or wait a little while for the change to appear. You can also try opening the site in an incognito window to confirm the update. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Hostinger website builder site. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how polished your website looks. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Hostinger tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.